Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, guess what we're going to do? But first, look at this one. Look at this. Look at this, boys and girls. Look at that. Danny the Diva did it. Yep. He's so amazing. I'll put his information below in the video, okay? So you can go onto his channel too. Anyway, today, I'm so excited. Danny likes to pick out these little gems and then have me react to them. So this one, they're disgusting kitchens. That's it. I don't know about you, but do you like going to potlucks? I don't. If I don't know what your kitchen looks like, and if I have not been in it, and if I don't trust you, I'm not eating your food. No way, Jose. Do not even bring it to me. I don't want to eat it. Thank you very much. But you know what? Look at my amazing kitchen. My kitchen is very clean. Very, very, very clean. I labor over it. It's intensive. But yes, I make sure my kitchen is clean. So you could eat my food if I ever decided to feed you. And I have fed quite a few. So what I am going to do now, we're going to react together. We're going to watch the first one. Now, just so you know, I have not seen these. I just know, I can see by looking at my computer here what the different ones are, but I have not seen them. So, by the way, would you please subscribe to this channel? Just push the little subscribe button. It's not difficult. You won't hurt your finger. You won't, I promise. Just subscribe. And then there's a little bell and you kind of just click that little bell and that'll notify you every time I upload new videos. That's simple. So here we go, okay? I'm getting ready. The first one. Let's go. Oh.
Ballooning. Seen it, covered it. We know a thing or two because we've seen a thing or two.
We are farmers. Bum, 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 bum.
This fridge is dreadful. Wow. Chicken breast. Oh my God, just dumped in there. Not even taken out of the bag.
Carnage.
That's how lazy they've become. And the whole fridge is not even chilled.
Oh.
It's warm. There's not a decent temperature on the floor here. What is that? Unbelievable.
You go out to dinner and you eat stuff from a kitchen like this?
On the floor.
Oh, look at those doors.
Cooked chicken. It's actually hot inside. Just festered in there.
Oh.
That's sat next to the pork belly and you've got cooked chicken.
Where's the health department?
Raw pork. Jesus Christ. What the fuck is that? Some form of chili.
What is that? How old are they?
They're not that old.
2
That's
days.
2 days old. That's a funny 2 days.
Yeah, it's a funny 2 days,
See that
liars.
there? Blood from where?
From the meat.
Blood from the meat on the mozzarella sticks.
What is that? This is the gyro we had earlier. Take it. Yeah, put on there.
Make your own food. Stay home.
Chicken. So you've got cooked gyro, cooling down, and you've got cooked meat sat next to raw chicken.
In a different tray, sir.
In a different tray.
And on top of cover a basket of chicken.
You cannot store cooked meat anywhere near raw meat. Rule number 1. Just smell that.
Oh.
Just smell that. And smell that. Fucking smell it.
Stick his nose in it.
Yeah, go on, what's it smell of? Can you tell me what that smells of? Because he's in denial.
It smells like shit.
That is disgusting. Have you any idea how long a jar needs to sit?
Where did you find this?
Where the fuck do you think I found this?
Yeah.
If it's old, we should have just thrown it out. There's no reason to keep
Have you
it.
any idea how many years that needs to be in? All
This
these
is
fucking
8
jars.
years.
All these jars and my children's life was stored at the back of the fridge. Just.
This has been 8 years over there.
That is disgusting.
Now all of a sudden she's shocked. She should have been in here if she cared.
Look at the colour of that. It makes me
Oh.
gag. That is veal.
Oh, you dirty bastard.
Oh, those poor animals died for no reason.
What the fuck is that?
These are my. I don't serve these. These are mine.
How many times a day do you go into that walk-in? Roughly
100.
100. Disgusting. Hold that.
That's broccoli rabe, left over from my brother's wedding.
They're left over from your brother's wedding.
Oh,
Come
this
on,
is
guys.
amazing.
Have you
What-
any
what's
idea
wrong with these
how
people?
bad a turnip needs to go before it gets that bad?
It's
Touch that.
Oh, look at that.
Just touch.
I.
Just.
I'm not serving it. We're not using
Why
it.
is it in your fucking
Any
kitchen?
idea how bad a slice of veal needs to go that colour? Just smell that.
Oh,
What was that colour?
There's a veal in there.
It smells bad. How long is that there?
Couldn't have been 2 days, Mom.
oh,
fuck
2
it,
days.
2 days.
Oh, come on.
What in the fuck is going on?
Oh, roaches, roaches.
That.
Oh my, oh, I hate roaches. Oh my God. Look at that.
Fucking joke.
May I take your order?
What's that?
Molasses.
Molasses?
Yeah, that's been in there since Thanksgiving.
What? It's July.
What's that? Oh my god. Oh shit. This is raw pork. That's not my pork that you served to me, is it?
You want to be touching this with your bare hands?
pork that they left.
Oh my
That's the
God.
old pork. When's this one from? Not Thanksgiving again.
Stuff what?
Mushroom.
Smell that! Smell it!
Yeah, stick it in his
That's fucking
face.
older than
Stick it
me.
in his face.
You're-
Yeah.
That's your sauce, Daryl.
What in the fuck is this?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Is that flounder?
It's definitely old.
Definitely old. It's green. Smell
Queen
that.
should have known better.
My god. It stinks. This
Oh my God. How is this place even open? Oh,
That
oh.
is off as well. Salmon. And look, some dirty fuckers picked all the bones out and just left them on the side.
Oh my
What
God.
a way to run a fridge.
Okay. This is fun, isn't it fun? Yeah, I'm having fun.
So the hoarding isn't just
Yeah, oh my God.
wash machines and microwaves. It's old
And they
food.
charge you for this food to eat it. That'll probably kill you.
The state of this.
Dirty fuckers. This is the dessert start preparation. It's got blood. It's disgusting. And these?
Lamb chops.
And what's this sat in? What is that?
Water.
Yeah, water.
Dirty water, yeah.
Dirty water, you're right.
And this here? What is that?
Fudge from a mud pie.
Fudge from the mud pie.
That's sat on top of a leg of lamb that's dripping with blood. You with me?
The place is littered with shit. Everywhere you turn.
And for me, it was bad enough to see the crap in the dining room. I didn't expect that walk-in to be festering the way it is.
Oh god. What is that?
Twice baked potato. Thank fuck I missed that one twice.
May I have one of your twice baked potatoes, please?
God, when was that?
Oh, look at that. That's nice. You know, I've been in houses like this.
This is 10,000
Literally, in
times
houses
worse
like
than I
this.
thought it would be.
Oh my God. Oh!
Looks like lava of shit and crap. Kitchen health hazard.
The project's over.
How old is that? I don't know. Look at the colour of the chicken. Green and
It's decomposing.
What's this? Cod. In what? We're serving that. Excuse me. Look at the way we work. What is this? What is this?
Oh.
I have no idea. You got no idea. And this? How old's this? Oh my god. You disgusting pigs. Look at that. Yeah, it's fermented. Just smell that.
What is it?
Just smell that. Come on, please. You own it.
You too. You own it.
Ladies, we've been serving that. See the mold around the side? Oh my god.
Oh my god. I thought that was basil. Oh my god.
No, that's not basil. I wish it was fucking basil. How long does a sauce sit in the fridge to get moldy around the top?
Marinara sauce? That's what it is?
Fuck off with it. Touch the wall! You dirty pig! This is disgusting!
Disgusting. Okay. Okay. Can you believe that? Can you believe? But you know what? I've got to tell you something. I have, in my lifetime, been into many, many homes. Many homes. And yes, there are those good people out there that know how to clean. And then there are those disgusting SOBs that have no idea how to clean. It's one thing if you're going to poison yourself, but a lot of these people have children. And they're growing up in squalor. Oh my God, I don't know what's wrong with these people. And then to think, okay, well, we'll go out to dinner. I'm tired tonight, so we'll go out to dinner. So we'll go down to whatever this restaurant is, and we're going to have dinner, and we could end up in the hospital and die from this food. Oh my gosh. You know what? All the more reason why you need to watch my cooking videos if you don't know how to cook. Watch my cooking videos. I'll show you how to do it, and you can prepare it in your own home, and you'll be safe. You won't be dying from your food because you buy it all fresh. I don't buy stuff, go to the grocery store and buy a week's worth of meats or anything along those lines and then put them in the refrigerator and then cook them. I don't know if they're good. I want them fresh. I go to the grocery store usually every other day, somewhere around there, and I like fresh vegetables, I like fresh meats, things like that. It's so important to do it. Let's do it. But let's go on to the next one. I'm excited. I can hardly wait. What is this one here? Okay, let's go. Okay, here's the video. Here's a... Commercial. Video will play after this ad. Okay.
Dear, oh dear.
Ramsay shuts down restaurant after finding raw. I didn't read the whole thing.
Is that ready to go out, man? No, sir.
Raw chicken next to cooked chicken.
Only.
Seriously? What the fuck is that?
It's apple cobbler.
When was that made?
Well, it's anyone's guess, Chef. I mean, not more than a week ago.
Holy shit.
And he's drinking coffee in the kitchen.
A molten lava cake.
A molten lava cake? No, a molten rock. Lava rock.
Well,
So what do you do with that?
Well,
Do you play ice hockey?
no, that's, again, display purposes only.
Right off the bat, we were in the shits right off the bat.
Why would we even think about going to a customer with something a week old?
Oh, we should.
Thank you, Chris. Brian.
Yes. No, that doesn't look good at all. I agree.
Yeah.
But they didn't know it didn't look good before he came in. Yeah, they had no idea. None.
Tensions mount in the kitchen. Customers are about to celebrate one of the most romantic nights of the year.
Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Oh, what is that?
I wanted to go away and almost.
We're almost thinking about leaving.
So food sachet.
Get out now! Run! Run for your life! Run!
Come on, guys, huh? 2 seconds.
And you like never shuts up.
Who's checking this stuff? Does this guy just send food out?
Yeah.
Who's checking it?
Nobody's checking.
Nobody, no. Okay.
Nobody checks
There's
it.
lettuce all fucking rotten there. Yeah? Lettuce rotten there.
Fist, you gotta pick through the lettuce better.
I really am trying to. Like, I'm not
Well,
even.
these ones are no good with the rotten lettuce. Let's just go.
I'm trying. No, do it!
Where's this coming from? Jesus Christ almighty. Sir, has it been washed?
I did not watch that. I did not
No, I
know
didn't wash it,
We
but
don't
we'll
wash
serve
the
it.
We get pre-washed.
You get it pre-washed.
Pre-washed.
First.
Oh, she's eating
Every time I put my
it!
hand in
She's
it,
gonna
it's all
die!
rotten. Yeah, just you
Toss it. Yeah, it's gross.
Well, I wouldn't toss it. Why don't you eat it?
No, I'd rather not. I wouldn't eat it.
You charge people for it.
Yeah,
Okay,
charge.
This shouldn't
Your
be sent out.
hard-earned
You
money.
should open your fucking eyes.
We'll try to fix whatever issues we have, but I'm not gonna cry in the corner about it. You know, life goes on.
Oh, you're a moron. You are a
Upon
fucking
further
moron.
investigation,
Stick it in his face! Oh.
Gordon discovers that something is missing from the display-only dessert tray.
Have we served that dessert on there?
Oh no! Don't eat it!
That's not good.
What's this here? It's been leaking in the fridge.
That's really old. It's a bread pudding. That's
A bread pudding.
sure.
That's a shrimp.
Oh.
It's
smell?
Yeah, that's disgusting.
Oh,
Why is it bubbling? Because it's old.
it's bubbling because it's old.
No. Nick, I know you're busy. Yeah, I'm fucking shitting myself now. Yeah, where's Brian? I know you want to run away from it. I'm not running away. I can't run away from it. Yeah, I've just been watching and fucking shitting myself for the last hour.
Where's the health department?
Give me an answer.
Oh my gosh, don't eat it, people. Run! Run! Run!
Take me down to the fridge. I want to see.
Oh my god, this is so disgusting.
I cannot believe that this is how you guys are running a restaurant.
Put these assholes in prison.
That's the walk-in freezer.
That's a walk-in freezer. Look at the mess here.
This is like a health crisis.
Bacon.
Yeah, obviously, bacon smiles. That's from lunch. Yeah, 5 years ago. You leave a spatula in there like that, I'm sorry. Nah, fuck off. I cannot believe what you guys are doing here.
There was so much going on. My head was spinning. My head was going to explode. Yeah, I thought to myself, this is a disaster.
But he didn't know that before. No, no clue. Mr. Stupid. What a effing idiot. He's smiling?
That should never happen.
Was that cooked?
It's fucking chicken against raw chicken.
It's
Cooked and raw together.
Hey, panini head, are you listening to me?
yes.
Oh. Take them away. Take them away. Take them to prison.
Shame.
We are ashamed.
You just contaminated the town. And Nick, stop. Yeah, everybody. Right now, this is not a romantic eat-out. This is a Valentine fucking massacre. It's a disgrace. How can you do this? I'm closing the place down. Switch it off.
I'm going to tell the people. Tell them.
Run for your life. That's what I tell the people. Run for your life. Run, 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 run.
No.
Yeah, fucking shut it down, switch it off, and condemn it.
Chef Ramsay is shutting us down. I feel absolutely horrible, and certainly not something I expected.
Just for the evening. Never in my wildest dreams thinking that we would have to shut down.
What? Why is she crying?
This is the most horrific thing I've ever had to deal with in my life, quite frankly.
I felt horrible.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay. You know what? And you want to go eat out? Do you really? I'd rather eat at home. We eat out every once in a while, but I would find the kitchens and the restaurants that are clean. And you know what? And report these suckers. You find things like this, unsanitary conditions. My God, I'd be on the phone right there in the restaurant calling. And then I'd get out. Get out right away. Oh my God, this is crazy. Crazy. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Am I overreacting? Is Gordon overreacting? Probably so. But you know what? It's television. But you know what? Oh my God. Eat at home. Stay on my channel and cook some chicken parmesan. Oh, it's so good. You know, chicken noodle soup I have on there. I have Italian wedding soup on there. I have all sorts of scrumptious things on there. And I have desserts too. And they're all fairly simple to make. And they're made from scratch. Made from scratch, but easy to do. So follow me, would you? You know, okay, let's talk. Can we talk? Can we talk? I need your help. I'm trying to grow my channel and I need your help. Would you please tell a friend, a relative, an enemy, whatever? Would you just tell them? It's Stache Cooks on YouTube. Tell them. And Stache is amazing on Twitter. Yeah, Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. You can do it. It's wonderful. It's so exciting. But you know what? I really love coming to you and I really love presenting my videos to you. But you know, if you have suggestions for videos or you want to see me make a certain dinner, ask and you might receive. I might just do it. But please, Join me for every one of my videos. I love being with you, and I will see you real soon. Bye.